Hello friends, welcome to the session 21 of the series Mathematics for Machine Learning. I have been talking about linear regression. Today I'll present some distant concepts in linear regression. So let us start with Bayesian linear regression. Here the regression coefficients beta are assumed to be random variables with a specific prior distribution. So when we introduce Bayesians, we talk of about prior belief about the parameter space. The prior distribution can bias the solution for regression coefficient in a way similar to ridge regression or lasso regression. The Bayesian estimation process produces not a single point estimate for the best value for the regression coefficient, but an entire posterior distribution completely describing the uncertainties surrounding the quantity. This can be used to estimate the best coefficient using the mean, median, mode, any quantile or any function of the posterior distribution. So there goes the concept of Bayesian linear regression. In linear regression, we talk about the parameters. We minimize the cost function based on the parameters and come up with an estimate, which are point estimates. But here we are talking about the posterior. We come up with the posterior of the parameter. Quantile regression. Quantile regression focuses on the conditional quantiles of y given x rather than conditional mean of y given x. The linear quantile regression models a particular condition quantile, for example, the conditional median as a linear function of beta transpose x of the predictors. We are not talking about conditional mean, we are talking about conditional quantile or conditional median. Mixed models. Mixed models are widely used to analyze linear regression relationships involving dependent data when the dependents have a known structure. Common applications of mixed models include analysis of data involving repeated measurements, such as longitudinal data or data obtained from cluster sampling. So we are talking about mixed models. They are generally fit as parametric models using maximum likelihood or Bayesian estimation. In the case where the errors are modeled as normal random variables, there is a close connection between mixed models and generalized linear least squares. Least squares came out with the hypothesis of normal distribution when we were studying the errors. We were studying the distribution of errors in terms of normal distribution. We applied least squares. Principal component regression. Principal component regression is used when the number of predictor variables is large, when strong correlations exist among predictor variables. This two-stage procedure first reduces the predictor variables using principal component analysis and then uses the reduced variable in an OLS or ordinary least square regression fit. While it often works well in practice, there is no general theoretical reason that the most informative linear function predictor variables should lie among the dominant principal components of the multivariate distribution of the predictor variables. So we are talking about principal components. Then there came least angle regression. Least angle regression is an estimation procedure for linear regression models that was developed to handle high-dimensional covariate vectors, potentially with more covariates than observations. So when we have a high number of covariates, when p exceeds n in a big amount, we use least angle regression. And similarly, in principal component regression also, it reduces the dimensionality. It takes care of the cost of dimensionality. When the dimension is large, when the number of predicted variables in the sample is large, we go for least angle regression. The Sein estimator. The tail Sein estimator is a sample robust distribution technique that chooses the slope of the fit line to be the median of the slopes of the line through pairs of sample points. It has similar statistical efficiency properties to simple linear regression, but is much less sensitive to outliers. It's quite robust. So today we discuss some distinct linear regression variations. We talked about Bayesian linear regression, then quantile regression, mixed models, principal component regression, least angle regression, Theil-Sein estimator, etc. I'll stop here. Thank you.